cherry polenta cake.
So we're gonna start with 3 eggs and a half a cup of sugar. Whisk this together. So you just wanna get it a pale yellow.
Okay.
All right, so we wanna put just a pinch of salt in there. Then we want a half cup of fine cornmeal, a quarter cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of almond extract.
1 1/3
1
cup of
jug.
whole milk.
Whole milk. All right, so we're just gonna butter up our pan here. So now you just wanna re-whisk this, get your cornmeal back in there. All right, Michael, so you're gonna pop that in here. All right, you see how loose this is?
Looks like
so
eggs.
Yes, so almost like you're doing a scrambled egg. You sort of wanna pull from the edges and get it going. So this is gonna give it a good head start.
Oh,
But
look
you
at how
see
it's just coming
kinda
together now.
Thickening up a little bit. It's just gonna get firm enough so your cherries, when you put them on this, before you put them in the oven, that they don't completely sink to the bottom.
It looks like pudding.
Yeah, okay. With this, blueberries,
I'm gonna
any
say-
stone fruit, I think.
I agree.
So now that's just gonna go on your grill oven. This is probably gonna take like 30, 40 minutes. It's gonna puff up,
Ooh,
and when you take it off, it's gonna kind of fall down a little bit.